Hello everyone and welcome back to the Alphation. So today we'll be adding authentication to our React app using SAWO SDK. So let me tell you what is SAWO. So basically SAWO is a user authentication tool that uses no password or no OTP format. So this is the website sawolabs.com. You can check it out. I will add the link in the description as well. Okay, so let's go and build our project. So I've already logged in and created a project here, but just for the starters, I will walk through how you can make it. So go to the create new project, choose the platform for which you are building. For now, I will be building for web. So let's take web. I'll code. So code, and that's it. It's that simple. After that, uh, it will ask you to enter your project name and enter the host name. So for now I'm going to build on localhost only, so I'll put here as the localhost itself. Here it is. So the name of this project will be auth. This is its ID, this is the host name, and it's the API key. So let's move on to our code. Here it is. So this is the code, and this is the part. This is the configuration for the SAWO part. I've made a small dashboard and a login page to make it more comfortable for you guys so you can see it and learn from it. Here is the docs that you can refer to. So this is its docs. You can integrate using single page or web apps using Node.js, Flask, or single page web applications like HTML, Angular, Vue, etc. So this is how it works. And then once we do it, since I have successfully authenticated, we get these things. That is the payload, and we'll be making use of this in a bit further in a video. So stay tuned till then. So let's close it. Here it is. Let's grab the API key from here and use it in our project. So here it is. I have registered. So as you can see, I have made a two variables, environment variables. This is the customized form that I will be showing you how we can customize and will use in this. And this is our basic that we have just now created. So let's save it and start the server. Okay, so the server is started, I guess. Let's restart it. Yeah, here it is. So let's go to localhost 3000. So this is how the form looks like. Now I have previously logged in, so I don't see how it will work. So yeah, as I have previously logged in and stated that how this is going to work, so it didn't impact it much. Let me close the server and restart it again so I can show you better that how it will actually look like. By that time, let me grab my jingle as well. Yeah, here it is. I think the server is on now. So let's enter the email ID. Now, moving on. The customized form that I was talking about, let's just change this part of variable. Show you that how that is gonna look like. Yeah, so you can see the background is pink instead of white. There is two fields. The first is the name, the second is the email ID. If we want, we can add more. So let's go to this part. Yeah, so this is it, the form. So here we can choose what type of authentic identifier type we want, whether we want to authenticate using phone or email ID. So for this purpose, I have used email. If you want, you can use phone as well. And if we want to add the captcha, the Google reCAPTCHA, we can add it as well. So let's do this also. And I have already added a custom field that is by the name. If we want, let's add company as well. It will be a text type. Save. So you can see down we have three fields: enter email, name, and company. And if we refresh this page, we are going to see same things here as well. Yeah, here it is: email ID, name, and company. So let's go and see that how this thing actually works. And if we want to design, we can change the designs as well. Like, let me put it the dark. So this is the dark theme. If we refresh the page, we can see how this is going to go. Let me save it first. So this is the dark theme. If you want, we can customize the things from here, or simply let it be at the default, and you know, make some changes. In the background only and make work with it. So here it is. Let's keep it this for now. Let's refresh. Yeah, so here it is. Now let me add my email ID from which I have logged in. My name here, company Alphatians, and login without password. Right now you can see it's not showing anything here. For that, let's go back to the dashboard. Just come here so it wasn't showing. So we are using email, so email will be there, the name will be there, and let's add the company as well. And the betterment, let's use PR tag as well. So we see that how it is, how it will look like and what it does. So yeah, there we go. So this is how it's looking like. Like, it's a private dashboard, email, name, and in the name it's coming. Oh, I didn't change it here. So let's go and refresh it back. Enter our email for the one last time. So I've actually logged out from the session. It will be a good way to show you that how we're getting the mail or the OTP in the format. Yeah, validate email using this code. Don't press, not now. So this is how it's looking like. Let me just keep this as a copy. As it is a bit, case sensitive. So if you must have seen, like, I changed the B from small to capital, so it's resended the OTP. That is what you can do, or play with it if you want. Now let's go to here, design form. Yeah, so here it is, configuration. So the number of days for the session cooldown I have kept for 15 days. So for the 15 days, I won't be required to enter the OTP again if it's written trusted. Now this is the SMS body and the email domain is SAWO Labs. It all will be same. Now from here, we can change it. Let's change it to password s login, company name Alpha Shanes, company website https dot alpha shanes dot codes. From, let's keep it empty only, and from here use the OTP here to log in and access your dashboard. See, so here is a preview that how well the mail will be. Here it is. Now let's go and check it back. As now you can see the subject of the email is different. It's a totally customizable. Now let's log in. And if I mark as trust, I won't be required to enter the OTP again till the session of the verification code is completed. So for the next 15 days, I won't be required to enter OTP back. So, it makes the transaction or the login a bit smoother. Let's see, like here it is. Yeah, and log in without password. Now here is the magic happen. As I have trusted the website, I have trusted that this email ID for this website, I don't need to require the OTP back again and again and again. So what it did was it just simply bypassed that method, and here we are, because our verification token and the other things are stored in the browser. So here it is. Yeah, before making customization, you can also here to make changes in your form or the website to suit it according to your needs and etc. Awesome. So that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see that what all you will build through SAWO API usage SDK, and what all you can come up with the innovative ways to make an authentication app.